I made a shooting stand. It's an old lawnmower blade, and it's on a 2x4 with some nails to hold it up, and it's shorter on that side. But right here, there's a hole through the middle where you bolt it onto the lawnmower. You got a piece of duct tape over it. That way you can tell if you shoot through the hole. That's going to be like the bullseye. So if you shoot with just like a pellet gun, I don't know, maybe a 22, it's just going to hit it. But if you shoot with something a bit bigger, it's going to knock it right off, which is kind of what I want. So yep, there's that. I think I'm going to make another one. I'm going to do a time lapse of it, and then yeah, we'll probably try and shoot them. So alrighty, so here's the finished product. I've got those two little bolts there. You just step on and push down on the ground. Right out the sun, you can see them a little bit better, but yeah, there are those. I don't have my 22 or anything with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pellet gun. We're gonna shoot these a couple times, and I'm gonna get a piece of duct tape to put on that real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my BB gun here. I don't think I've ever showed you guys this before, but it's BB and pellet, little pump. It's a Winchester, and so I got some BBs, and then there's some pellets in there too. We're gonna try them both over there to target, so let's go ahead and shoot it. Go see where I hit. I don't know if we'll be able to see it very well or not. Right there, there's a hit. These are really turned the wrong way for the sun, but right there. So right above where the hole is for the duct tape. And then there's a hit right there. Let's see, I might have shot this one too. Alright, so here's this one. You can see I got a hole there. Right there where my thumb is where there's no metal. Hit right beside there. I think I got a couple more marks around it. And then on this one, there's a hole straight through it. Right there. There's one that hit the metal there, hit the metal there, the metal there. So, anyways, that's my fun little project for the day. I encourage you guys to do the same. It's super easy, just with a couple things I found laying out in the shed. And yeah, it's pretty fun to shoot, and it doesn't cost anything if you have the things laying around. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.